A function call allows you to actually use a function. You may not have been aware of it, but the methods like push method that you have been using have been function calls. A function is called by referencing the function's name and adding a open and close parentheses. And we have a test here, and open and close parentheses. That is how we call a function. So in our case, we would replace the character that repeats I plus 1 in our push method call with a function call for your padro function. If we go up, we do actually have a defined function call. We do actually have a defined function named padro rather. So inside the push, we will call here our padro function. So how did that happen? Again, our padro has parameters of 2 and it would return uh, a result of a calculation. That would mean the result of this calculation would be the output of this function when it is called. And it has been called inside a push method in here. So push method, what it does is that it adds something or an item to the end of an array. So if we go back a little bit, we do have a rows here. So rows is actually an array in here. So if we read it like this, that would mean we added something on our array called rows. And that added something is the output of this function. I don't know, but I hope you get that right. Nice.